Okay, so we are now at the Pacific Ocean up on the lookout point, and last time we were here, we were here in like with flip-flops and yeah, like cami and mini skirt and all that, and we learned that temperatures up here like sometimes 30 degrees, so I brought actually my winter coat. So I brought my camera too, and I want to check this out, show you here. This is like really awesome.
I fell off the cliff.
Fell off the cliff?
Area out there, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Got a real drop off.
My goodness.
Missy, she was smart this time. Look at how it's on the U.S. Polo Association. There you go. Shoot. Yeah, I'm going to slid down off the side of the cliff over there. I mean, holy crap. Right? Like a sheer drop off down there.
Yeah.
I'm goofing around, and all of a sudden, I feel that gravel underneath of my feet starting to get loose. So, you don't know how it'll be with the wind today. You know, with that.
I know.
I got I put a little wind socky on mine.
I'm gonna go to the car, get that thing, and hold it over.
Get something mounted up, or it'll be a blowout for wind. Yeah, so I'm gonna chooch on around. These guys here go up there in the rail car.
Let's just get some footage of this area here. There's actually some people down there. I can tell you that water is ice cold. You don't want to go into that water. That water is ice cold. That water comes down from the Alaskans down there, up there north. Anyway, I'm gonna get a thing to put over the microphone to muffle that wind. So yeah, Pacific Ocean up here in the north is definitely not for swimming. We have a lot of people that ask, well, do you go out to the Pacific Ocean, go swimming? Would you go out swimming in that? Not me. So yeah. We go down south, South California, San Diego, we go swimming there, but not up here in North California. So anyway, we're gonna walk up yonder, and I'll show you some more. People don't even get out of the car. Check it out, it just goes straight down here, like, woo, when you slide down here, You are daunted, baby. You're
Not
daunted.
by that side.
The wind is cold. And I am so glad I brought my winter coat. Because that wind is coming up over here from the ocean. And I tell you, it is probably, I'd say, 40s. Feels like 40s. So yeah, I remember last time coming up here and it was like 31. And being out here in flip-flops, mini-skirt and all that. And it was like, Santa Rosa, we left there and it was like 85. Bodega Bay was like 75. When we came up here, it was like 31. It's like, yeah. So let me see if we can get some more stuff here for you. Look at that foam down there. Woo-wee. Holy snookums. And we've got here, you can see the cliffs. I hope the wind is kind of getting somewhat stopped. I put this stuff in front of the microphone, so hopefully that'll help a little. But here you can walk between the cliffs. Check that out. Check that out there. That goes way down there. So sometimes the whale watchers will sit up here on the rocks right here. And they will look out, and you can sometimes out in the distance there you can see the whales coming through. And yeah, this is the Pacific Ocean, babies. I'm gonna walk on over there. See if we can sound something over there, eh? Ooh-wee. That wind. Yeah. Check that out. It's very windy today. The ocean is very active.
There'll be shark food down there.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got your little wind booty on. Good deal. Are you cold enough?
I'm doing great.
Breeze. You got your polo.
Yeah, I'm doing great. I brought my winter coat.
How Golden State Bears protected.
I remember last time mini skirt, flip-flops and all that. And I thought that ain't gonna roll. That ain't gonna fly this time, so.
Watch your step. It's sliding rock.
Yeah, it's sliding rock and what's here. Anyways, well, I'm gonna show you something here real quick. Here's something about whale watching here. It's kind of hard to see. Talks about gray whales are born black. As they age, barnacles and whitish scars give them a gray appearance. And all that good stuff, so. Yep. So basically, that's where we are. Let's see, where are we? I'm not even sure where we're at now. Right now, on that map here. But they got a camping area here. So and then they basically travel along the coastline here, all the way up to the north and back. Basically come along California. So yeah, that's pretty much the extent of that. So that is our stop here at the Pacific Ocean cliffs. We basically had to go all the way through Bodega Bay, all the way around the wharves and stuff to get to this viewpoint here. So yeah, it was pretty interesting, eh?
Yeah, good time. It's always good. Yep.
So yeah,
You
it's
can only
pretty
stay
good.
up there a couple minutes though. It's so damn cold.
Yeah, look at
Wind
that,
chill.
eh?
Yeah, I know.
You brought your long pants, eh? Cool. Alright, well, we're gonna head out to Bodega Bay. We're gonna go to the wharf and get some lunch, and then I will actually be able to get... There is a Charlie Brown there. I'm happy to report they have a Charlie Brown there in a diver's suit. So I will be taking pictures and video of that. And then when we go back to Santa Rosa, I saw a Alfred Hitchcock statue, and we're gonna take some pictures and some video too. So I'm gonna cut this video off and say thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for another short video to come, where I will show you basically the Alfred Hitchcock today. And then for the, if you want to see the Charlie Brown statue, you'll have to wait till I get the Peanuts video up, the next Peanuts video up towards the end of this month here. So anyways, thank you for watching. Hugs, love, and kisses. Mwah. Toodles.